everybody, welcome to MarineMax, and today we're going to talk about this 2026 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. It's an incredible boat for Northeast Florida, plenty of range, powered with twin 400 horsepower Mercury Verados with a joystick system. This boat will get up and scoot. You've got a great live well here in the transom, a bench seat that folds away nicely to give you plenty of room in the cockpit, two huge in-floor fish boxes, a great tackle prep station here with a pull-out shower, side door, and then we have a helm station up here which is laid out with a pair of 16-inch Simrad displays, VHF radio, and it's all ready for your choice of radar. We've got the joystick controls here at the helm, the digital shift on the Mercury outboards, nice comfortable flip-up bolsters, and armrests that fold, give you lots of nice creature comfort on this helm. As we move around to the front of the boat, we're going to see this huge storage compartment up here at the bow in front of the console. Plenty deep for lots of gear. You can get bean bags in there, rod storage that passes through into the center console. This is lockable, so you can lock up your gear, your luggage, etc. And it's a really nice place to lay out on the boat here, along with this comfortable bow seating as well. There's a table that's going to go up in here, fill in this area. We've got a windlass up front, and then we've got a huge head compartment inside the console, complete with a sink and a freshwater pull-out shower. Tremendous amount of space. Nice clean storage for the dive ladder, for the side door, and plenty of room in this stand-up head. If you'd like to learn some more information about this boat or take it out on a sea trial, I'm Larry. Give me a call at 904-545-5310.